Hi, I'm Jason from GlowShift Gauges. We get a lot of questions about what comes included in the packaging when you purchase one of our gauges. So today, I'm going to walk you through what comes included in the mechanical water temperature and mechanical oil pressure 2-gauge underdash kit in the 2 5/8 inch black and white racing gauge series. So right away when you open the packaging, you'll see a 2 5/8 inch mechanical water temperature gauge and a mechanical oil pressure gauge. The mechanical water temperature gauge comes with a 6-foot probe harness with a 5/8 adapter and a 2-foot power harness connected directly to the back of the gauge. The mechanical oil pressure gauge also comes with a 1/8 NPT fitting and a 2-foot power harness connected directly to the back of the gauge. Also included in the packaging, a 6-foot 1/8 inch copper hose, an M16 adapter, a 1/2 NPT adapter, a 3/8 NPT adapter, compression fittings for the copper hose, a 2-gauge underdash mounting bracket with mounting screws, mounting brackets for the gauges, and full color installation instructions. If you need any additional vehicle-specific installation accessories, or if you have any questions, all of our products come with lifetime technical support, so feel free to visit our website at glowshiftgauges.com.